Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting gadget to show you that will change the way you store your snacks and food. Introducing the Seznik Portable Mini Sealing Machine. This little device might look small, but it's packed with features. The Seznik Portable Mini Sealing Machine is a 2-in-1 heat sealer with a cutter, making it perfect for keeping your food fresh and your kitchen organized. Inside the packet, you'll find a Type-C cable, a product manual, and a warranty registration QR code. Another fantastic feature is its rechargeable battery. No need to worry about replacing batteries. Just charge it up, and you are good to go for multiple uses. It's eco-friendly and convenient. The cutter allows you to effortlessly slice through plastic covers. To seal a plastic cover, switch on the sealer, place the open end inside, press the sealing button and drag it towards the end. The cover will be sealed and airtight. This handheld mini bag sealer comes with a magnetic back, allowing you to conveniently place it on your refrigerator for easy access. So there you have it, the Seznik Portable Mini Sealing Machine, a small device with a big impact on your kitchen organization and food storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool gadget reviews. Thanks for watching and happy sealing.